picture.
Another.
Idam mo, ha? Isa na Gmail ko. Isa na mag-isend. Buno sikat mag-isend.
Check na isend.
And then, awatan dito ko.
Isa na kayo i-course project.
Tapos, isend na kanya. And then, sikat mag-isend kanya. Ito ko, Gmail ko kanya. At isend ko lang.
Isend ko lang tapos
Sabihin mo, Day. Manaka 16 to.
tapos mo pang
Dali na ba? Sila na po.
Ay, ito man ako.
ay basta yung attendance.
Pala ka dasa?
Doon ako sa mga dito ako.
Ito ka lang po. Tapos ito
Ito lang mahiwalay sa akin.
At yan naka-check na nagawa.
Magtago pa kasi ate Rose.
Hindi ko ito matagawan. Alam niya na yung amoy ko. Naka-finance ka din.
Kami pa na kayo. Finance nga.
Uy, akala ko may design.
Na? Conflict ka.
Hindi ko alam. Kasi may nag-drop mo yun.
Ay, may sapay. Di ba sa kanya mo? 62 to 5. Ay, di may sapay. Ano, design mo?
Ay, conflict kasi yung word.
Then, yung 62
Ito nga ba hindi pa.
ang para nagkamay 62 to 08. Ako nag-higpit pa.
May one pa ako eh.
Try ko muna
Ang gawin nyo lang dito parehas.
Yan kasi ang nilagay ni Ma'am Leslie.
Same din ang para given kayo ang maramitin.
Ngayon ayaw sa pagtabi,
Yung una yung una sana ko parangkit mo.
Awan minus na ko.
Dapat at gitang kayo
Dari gas ora kita. Baba. Tapos dabagan na pa ino arami mo mo inaapin. Talaga? Oh my god. I-check mo no tingnan no inarami mo no ano.
Dito makikita lagi sure na tayo.
Paano yung ano? Nakikilitak na ron? Profitan na.
Pakilagay yung name, year, course, subject.
Hindi ko pa kasi na
Nay, di may sangan diyan.
Year,
yung babae.
course, subject,
Subject.
age, address.
Same ng ano ng
Ng prof? Pero mas mahigpit yung ano niya.
Kinukuha ko yung year
Yung
mo
parang
para alam ko
ano niya,
kung
submission
graduate
na.
na kayo.
Kasi i-check mo, i-confirm mo doon.
Yung course nyo para alam ko
Baka pag
kung
hindi
paano
mo
ko
gawa,
kayo
baka
i-handle, kung ano ba yung pwedeng ilagay sa
baka hindi ka naman
inyong,
makakaulit eh. Gumawa
kung
din.
paano ba yung mga magiging project
Kasi
nyo,
may
yung
i-confirm ka
intern nyo,
doon eh.
or yung magiging exam nyo, or
Sabi niya
thesis
dito.
nyo. Kasi ibahin ko yung thesis ng BSED to BSIT. Tama ba? May BSED ba sa inyo? Yes.
Ano ba? Iba
Okay,
eh.
so magkahiwalay. So, dapat, para makikita ko kung sino yung BSED at BSIT. Ay, yung age naman, para alam ko kung paano ko i-handle based for your and then, yung subject yan. Yung Philippine address, para alam ko kung Ilocano ka, Tagalog, pure Tagalog, Bicolana, Bisaya, or whatsoever. Okay, Philippine address, local address. Okay, name. Name, muna, name. Sulat nyo muna name, year, course, subject, age, Philippine address, local address dito sa Hong Kong, and then your motto. Para ma-inspire naman ako sa mga motto.
Name, year, age, course.
Subject, age, Philippine address, local address, and then your motto. English yung Depends naman sa'yo. Name, year, course, BSIT ka o BSED, subject.
Ma'am, yung year, ma'am, yung ano nila?
1.1, 1.2, 3.1.
Parang ganun.
Okay. Yung subject nyo is information management.
Hala naman, grabe naman, ma'am. Yung likod ko naman na malapad ang...
Hindi, ano yan siguro, ipapasa niya.
Age.
Ipapasa niya yan sa ano. Hindi, ano dyan, kailangan si ma'am talaga.
Name, year,
Ay, si
course,
ma'am ba?
subject, address, motto.
Yung mukha ko kasi malapad.
Hindi, okay nga, makikita ka kasi ang ano dyan is nagtuturo siya.
Salitan kaya yan.
Ang init, no? Yan lang ang aircon?
Wala, naka-off yata.
Miss President, course, subject.
Yung President, ang marites mo.
Next sa H.
Ay, sungit. Parang sikating niya.
Masungit to kasi pamenipos na to.
Saan po ito?
Ewan ko kung kaninong po niyan. Ay, ano yung sarili mo?
GC yan, madam.
Local address.
Ma'am, bakit ba kailangan pang ilagay yung age natin at nagkakaalaman?
Ako lang naman. Hindi ka naman isip.
Mama, included ko yung boyfriend kahit hindi mo sinabi.
Ikaw bahala. Okay na kayo.
Yung asawa!
Tapos yung asawa niyo, baka mayroon magkaparehas.
Ayan.
Time is gone!
Meron na siyang ibigay. Ay, akin na yung, pa-sign in ako sa GC ko para makapag-send ako na.
Nandito pa nga.
Pa-sign in na.
Ito, susunod.
Bakit mo kita yung ano po papel? Information management, right? Hindi pa tayo nag-quiz na.
PSIT na lang ilagay mo. Pahirapan mo pa yung sarili mo. Visit ka.
At tapos isulat sa mo yung address. Kung address kung asa. Sino kukuha ng module, papas na lang palagay ng pangalan.
Magkano, ma'am?
Mura lang siya.
Nasa
30 lang po ata.
Meron ka na?
Information management.
Yung ano mo kung
Yes, I can. Thanks.
Amot umanay.
Let your dreams be your wings. Oh,
Grabe naman yung motto mo, baka ang haba. Simple lang sa akin.
Time is beautiful.
Simple lang sa akin. Oo, lagay mo.
Ay, speak lang. Ito namin lang.
time is gold.
Ay, same tayo.
Ilocana. Ilocana.
Kanina yung cellphone na yun? Na-insert mo yung kanya.
Excuse me po.
Tignan mo nga yung ano.
Wala akong motto eh.
Life is beautiful.
Ayan. Tama.
May kanya. Yung tapos hindi na kailangan. Senior all na din.
Muna daw ilagay yung status at nagkakaalaman na wala kami.
Kita na juduhan na lang ba?
Uy, huwag kayong mangopya.
Wala nang birthday, no? Hindi kayo lang.
Ah! Come on. Butang na ganun.
Ate, vital statistic mo lang.
Jo, nandito ka pala. Dito ka sa kabila. Hindi ka dito, Jo.
Ate, hindi mo na.
Oo nga. Na-save niya lahat yung ano.
Naman doon.
Tapos ka na. Nilagay na
Hindi ba ang ganda ko, oh?
Tapos bakit wala pa rin?
Ano pa natin? Yan na, kumpiyahin mo na. It's better than one. Kapit ka eh. Sulat mo.
Nakalimutan ko kasi itong open natin pa dyan lang masinis.
Kapit kasi kami, kaya yan ang tayo. Hindi natin tinatago kami tayo. Better late.
Sana all.
Oh, nandito pala si China. Hindi namin ikaw nakilala.
Nagdagdag ka na.
Pahingi, nakilala kita. Saan to galing? China?
Sa akin.
China, hindi na. Pwede ko tawag pa ilagay. Pinaoy. Ano to? Mahudyo lang saya.
Ha? Tawag ko na.
Ako agani, hindi ko maaari.
Hingi.
Hindi mo naman eh.
Mahudyo ka o bakla.
This is not
Kuha
mine.
pa tayo. Kuha. Wala na akong pera eh.
Wow. Hi, Ma'am. Ako magad sa inyo.
Yeah, I think you can.
Gusto na po. Hindi, sa likod. Kamusta na?
Uy, ang dami dito sa amin, vlogger ka daw. Ako naman nagde-depends, hindi siya vlogger.
Oy, chat.
Inulit ba yan?
Kaya na press. May vlogger pa yung vlogger natin.
Tingnan mo kung asan dyan ako dahil.
Hindi yan vlogger.
Eh, ako ba? Ako sa iyo.
Oh.
Vlogger yan eh.
Si Bonita na naman.
Tapos na nga.
Saan yung module? Yung module to. Makagos yung module to.
Yung edad mo.
Nandun!
16 lang yun.
Huwag ka na. Delight myself. Tapos kabit ka? Siyempre.
Uy,
Ano to? Inulit. Inulit? Sa tabi mo. Nawawalan na ako ng power to. Ano yan? Ano yan sa lalaki ko?
Meron ka ng ano? Module, no? Oh, sino kukuha ng module?
Kasi,
Module.
inulit lang yata.
parang ba ito magkasulat ka na?
Ano?
Saan yun? Parang ano sa
Nasa index card natin. Introduction.
Sabi ko nga
Sinabi ko na lang.
hindi mo naman kailangan mag-research.
Ne.
Choice mo yun.
Naipasa yun?
Nakalista na lang.
Nakapasa kayo? Ano, ako na lang mag-add sa'yo kung hindi mo makita. I-send mo sa kanila na para i-add kita. Nakapasa kayo?
Sino nag-ano sa module? Ito nga dahil. Yung Josephine.
Dalawa yon, dalawa.
Sino ko pa mo na?
Tapos na kami, tapos na kami.
Kasi may message yun.
Opo.
Hindi ko naman pinag-seryoso. Kasi nga, nagataka ko nga. Pero 5 months
Ang dalawang ultimate. Diba? Tapak naman siyempre, doon yung square ko ba kayo? Tapak ang may square, nakakita natin.
Ano, okay lang mo kasi high wish.
Amet, dito sa likod. Pabisina man, no? Baka malapit kayo maglaro.
Oo.
Katatapos pa.
Parang ano yan, ha?
Mister siya naman ako.
Na eh.
Taman.
Hello, ako naman kasi Mary Jo.
Kahit mga ano, kahit mga
Second hand.
Oo, second hand.
GC na tayo.
Bigay nila.
Yes.
Oo, bigyan sa akin. Second hand lang.
Share ng cheese.
Agad na dati among dati na. Baka tati na pudot pa lang kasi pa na dito.
Ma'am, ano yung... Hindi pa binuang? Ikaw natin yung effort.
Sino nag-message? Hindi ko ma-open.
Pangalan ko kasi malaki ako.
Hindi, may nag-ano kasi na hindi ko maano, ano, baka sa ano.
Nag-aado ka na pala kayo.
Ano lang,
Okay,
adan.
so BS, IT, and TSS.
Ang dami nga ako.
So, merge kayong lahat.
Adan.
By the way, hindi nyo pa ako kilala. So, my name is Rashni. I'll be your teacher in information management. So, gusto nyo mag-ano? Kilala nyo na isa't isa? Yes. Gusto nyo mag-introduce? Yes. Okay.
Hindi namin makilala eh. Uy, hindi naman niya kilala.
Hello classmates, I'm Jessica Domingo. I'm 30 years old.
Bahala kayo.
From,
Ano nyo? Basta
Uy, grabe ka naman.
I'm 30 years old from
Ba't mo, binubukin yung age namin, nakaliit-liit namin.
and my motto in life is live life to the fullest. And
Yung motto in life is leave me alone.
no, I'm currently taking BSIT. I'm now in 1.2 and also currently taking Hotel Management in GEA Institute in Singapore.
Ay, wow.
I am graduated in political science in Philippines.
Ay, wow, wala na. Panalo na.
Question.
winner na ba?
Panalo na. Talo na kami, wag na mag-ano.
Good afternoon. I'm Laura from Leyte.
Ito mga bully.
Sorry, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ako Byron Bilimo. Is head of the
Yay! Ano ba? Go, Visit!
Good afternoon, I'm Annalisa
Bonita?
Barbaña. BSN 1.3.
Hindi po siya vlogger.
Ako ang vlogger na
Ay, ano pa? Follow.
2.1 from Surigao City.
Vlogger naman tayong lahat ah.
Uy, kayo na.
My name
Yun nga lang, walang nagpapalo sa amin. Kaya vlogger tayo naman, kaya lang walang nagpapalo sa amin.
kumakain.
Bigyan mo ako ng stick.
Break
Good
agad.
afternoon,
Break agad.
classmates. My name is Miss Char Kidato and I'm taking BSIT 2.1.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bonnie August. I'm taking BSIT 2.1.
Ikaw na. Ay, hindi ko na kailangan magpakilala yata.
I'm president.
Upo ka na, upo ka na.
Opo na.
Hindi na talaga.
Hindi na.
O, ikaw na, aba na, Har.
Tumayo, okay na.
Yes.
Ang daya ko, ikaw nga nagsabi.
Okay, tapos na ako. My name is Moral Ruby Novian.
I'm
I'm
kindergarten.
Rose Abenohar, yun lang.
Age.
Michelle Dua.
I'm Josephine Amparado, currently BSIT.
Hello, Veronica. Currently BSIT 2.1. Thank you.
Lano!
Bicolana.
Bicolana. Ako po.
Go, Manager.
Oy, first ano namin yan, tapan namin yan. Yung kulay.
Walang ganyan.
Pinutapan talaga siya namin.
Mary Jo Igarta.
Proud na.
I'm Roslily Orteza, 2.2. Hi, I'm Celine, 2.2 BSI.
2.2 ba yung sinabi ko? 2.1?
Hindi, 2.2. 1.3.
2.1 ba sila? 2.2?
So, sa hindi pa nakakilala
1.3 pero
sa
pang
akin, my
3.1
name is
yun.
Fresh TV.
1.3?
PSL.
Pero nandito yung online na eh.
Mongolia? Fresh TV. Mongolia. Madriaga. Actually, ayaw ko yung papapiligo. Yes, Madriaga.
Taga saan ka, ma'am? Ay, hindi ka pa, hindi nyo pa na-handle yan. Ma'am, taga saan ka po?
La Union, Ilocana.
Ay, Lucana, same.
Yes, so yun. Kaya tinitignan ko yung sa ano nyo, sa files nyo para alam ko kung Ilocana, pure Tagalog talaga, Bisaya, Bicolano.
Ay, hindi ako na masyadong nag-English kasi matigas yung English natin. Ilocana. Hindi nga, matigas yung English ng Ilocana, matigas.
What you mean?
Ikaw talaga, puro kayo matigas.
What do you mean? Your English is very hard.
Yeah.
We are sure English.
At yung English namin yung hard kasi wala kaming pinaka-hard.
So, start, our lesson
soft.
is, our subject is information management. From its words, any idea of you na what is information management?
Managing information.
Okay.
It is related to IT subject, right? You manage the information of, like, for example, certain students inside the classroom. Like, if you're working in the office, you're managing information of clients, or if you're doing business, the stocks, or whatever. Yeah.
Mostly factual information.
Yes. Sino pa? It's your idea. Para ano, you know what is your perspective at the first. And then
From the word
change.
information, giving an information and then saving it.
Yes. Who else? What else? There is no wrong. Lahat tama.
I think it's discerning information from right and wrong, from fake to the true information.
Okay. So we will tackle that. Right. Be ready, sit back and learn. Okay.
We don't know it.
Nasa GC na ako. Ay, meron na.
Doon na ako. Doon ka na.
Ayan, meron na.
Meron pa daw ma'am bibiling sa module. Nag-message na.
Sige, pero next week pa kasi daw na ano. So, idagdag na lang doon. Makita nyo na yung ano. Ito yung mga kukuha ng module na. Sino mag-message na. Information can be defined as meaningfully interpreted data. If we give you a number, 1, 2, 1, 2, it does not make any sense on its own. It is just a raw data. However, if we say telephone number, it starts making sense. It becomes a telephone number. If I gather some more data and record it meaningfully like address, New York, telephone number, fax. So, paano nasasabing information ang isang bagay?
Pag binibigay mo yung for example, your name, your address, your
Information is a collective of data. And for example, ma'am, is when you give the age, when you give your data, for example, your name, your age, and the location where you in, and it's collective, it's become your information.
Mary Joy? Mary Joy
ayun capturing and sharing knowledge.
Giving details.
Information needs. It is the kind of systems and refer to the human collected information, especially what the facts that happen in our environment within our consciousness.
Yes. Okay. So, the word itself na meaningfully sa na definition niya can be defined as meaningfully interpreted data. So, yung data na yun by meaningful siya. So, pag sinabi ko bang president, kilala niyo siya? Is it already information?
Not really.
Not
Because,
it's just only a position of a person.
Yes. So, it's not information. It's just a raw data.
It's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
this.
Yes. So, it said here na binigyan kayo ng number 1, 2, and 0, and so on. So, that is not an information. It's just a raw data. Hindi pa siya luto. Or it means wala siyang meaning or wala pa siyang patutunguhan. And then it said there na lang na sinabing telephone number. So, may information na siya na so, pag tinanong sa'yo, or I will give you an example that your boss send you somewhere. Pag sinabing one chai, you know?
It's a distinctive place only.
Yes,
It's
so
not
there is
only
no
a
information.
specific place, but
Yes.
only distinctive.
Okay. So, you know already what is the meaning of information?
Yes.
So, details. Okay. There's a details, meaningfully interpreted. So, there is meaning already. If walang meaning, ano doon? Anong tawag natin doon?
It's just a raw
Just a
data.
subject matter, no details.
Yeah, it's a data. Yes, it's raw data. It becomes a very useful information. The address of the New York Office of Human Rights Watch, a non-profit, non-governmental human rights organization. So from a system analyst point of view, information is a sequence of symbols that can be construed to a useful message. So,
Iba yung ano ni Ma'am
yan,
sa atin.
symbols. Parang yung information dyan sa likod nyo. Yan, nakalagay dyan. So, electronic device allowed, yan, for appropriate classroom only. So, that is information already. It's a sequence. Yung pagkasunod-sunod, ito na lang din. It's a sequence. Your name, your address, course, Philippine address, local motto. Okay, Manicoy. So from system, okay, information system. So there is information system. A system that gathers data and disseminates information with the sole purpose of providing information to its users. So, anong gamit ng information system? Yes. Yes.
To provide information to the user.
Designing, implementing, and managing the technological infrastructure to support information management.
So, pay attention na mag-quiz tayo after the lesson.
Ma'am?
Sinabi ko sa inyo para mag-pay attention kayo. The main object of an information system is to provide information to its users. Information system vary according to the type of users who use the system. A management information system is an information. So, sabi dito, the main object of information system is to provide information to its users. Sino ba ang mga users?
Tayo!
Yes.
People.
So, do you have any idea kung ano yung mga information system that vary according the type of users? Sino yung mga users? Type of users? Consumers. Business. Sino pa? Employees. Sino
Stakeholders.
yung mga gumagamit ng information? Lahat yan ginagamit kung saan-saan yung phone nyo. Diba? Yung information nyo nandiyan lahat. Online banking. Ano pa?
Online dating.
Yes! It is.
You guys, I know you have a fun.
A management information system.
Don't start me.
Management, yung isa is information system. Next one is management. Dito na tayo sa management information system. It's an information system that evaluates, analyzes, and processes an organization's data to produce meaningful and useful information based on which the management can take right decision to ensure future growth of the organization. Ano ba yung organization na to? So, gumagamit ng management information system. Yes.
Mga cashiers, sa mga businesses, establishments,
Bank and hospitals.
Yes, tama. Lahat ng organizations na yan, gumagamit ng management information system to base which management can take right decisions to ensure future growth. Yeah. So, anong gamit ng management information system?
evaluates to evaluate and analyze and process the organization.
Ano ba ini-evaluate natin?
Mga data.
Personal data.
Pag pre-process natin, anong mangyayari?
Mauto ka na.
Magiging information na yung data, ma'am.
Yes. So, yung data, in-evaluate natin, ina-analyze natin, pag pina-process natin, anong nangyayari?
Magiging information.
Yes. So, yun ang management information system. So, yung information system, sila yung nag-gather, right? Gather data, store data, disseminates, and providing. Okay, to its users. And the next one is nagmamanage management information system. Sila na yung nag-evaluate, nag-analyze, and nag-process ng data. So it will become a information. Next, information definition. Information can be recorded as a science. Ano ba yung magbigay kayo ng example ng science na talaga na-interpret nyo na agad-agad.
Traffic lights.
Yes. Ito pa.
Ano yung question mo, ma?
Yung a science that will give you information. Yes. Sino pa?
Yeah.
Toilet. Yes. Baka may babae dyan, pumasok pa lalaki. Yung lalaki.
First floor, second
May mga signs.
Yes. Tama.
Yes. Yes. And door, elevator, the one
Yes.
that elevator.
Yes. Yes. That is already information that will give more elaboration. Yes. Tama. Okay. So, information can be recorded as science or transmitted as information. Information is any kind of event that affects the state of dynamic system that can interpret the information. Okay. Conceptually, information is the message, utterance, or expression being conveyed. Therefore, in a general sense, information is not communicated or received concerning a particular fact or circumstance. Information cannot be predicted and resolve uncertainty. So, ano, yung information dapat, hindi lang siya predicted, result or uncertainty. So, it's not like Marites. Yes. Delivered fabricated information that is not actual or, yes, it's not real. So, hindi mo pwedeng i-deliver ang isang information na hindi naman totoo. Kunyari, si ano, chismis. Oo, chismis is not information. It's just a raw data.
Misleading information.
So, knowledge communicated or received concerning a particular fact or circumstance. Information versus data. So, ano ang information?
Can be produced as
Inulit ko lang kanina. Ano yung information?
Information is a collective raw data, ma'am.
Yes. Information is already have meaning. Pag data naman,
Data is just
describe as
a raw
unprocessed facts.
yes, process, raw fact, no meaning. Oh, okay. Data can be described as unprocessed facts and figures. Plain collected data as a raw facts cannot help in decision making. However, data is the raw material that is organized, structured, and interpreted to create useful information system. So yan nga, data is a raw material, or it is organized, meron siyang structured, and interpreted. Yun ang bumubuo ng information. Without data, there is no information. So, plain collected data as a raw facts cannot help in decision making. Bakit?
Kasi sa
Kasi it has no meaning.
Yes. Pinapaikot-ikot ko lang kayo.
It has no meaning.
Yes. It will not help you decision making, di ba? Sabi mo na kapag inutusan kayo ng amo, pupunta ka ng Wachay Pulimuto, walang address. Punta ka na. Specific. Yeah. Pag sinabing kunyari, pwede rin naman punta ka sa second floor, kunin mo yung ganito, alam mo ba kung anong door? Floor lang. Floor lang ang sinabi sa'yo pero walang door.
We cannot find.
So, data is defined as a group of non-random symbols in the form of text, images, voice representing quantities, action, and objects. So, may nag-message sa'yo, scammer. Is that information? Si X. Si X pala yun. Data is defined as a group of non-random symbols. So, hindi siya random symbols in the form of text, images, voice representing quantities, action, and objects. May nag-voice message sa inyo. Hindi nyo kilala. That is not information, right? Pag nagpakilala na siya, information. Yes. Action. Pag sinabing mayroong sumasayaw pero hindi nyo alam kung ano yun.
Hindi. Kasi kailangan mo ng tugtog.
Oo. Diba pag yung objects, pag pinakita sa inyo, walang information na nakalagay doon. Alam nyo ba? O yung statue na nakatayo doon, even though that is Jose Rizal,
You don't know how the information.
yes, still, it's only data. Information is interpreted data created from organized, structured, and processed data in a particular context. So, meron na siyang meaning. Meron na siyang particular context. According to Davies and Olson, information is the data that has been processed into a form that is meaningful to recipient, is of real or perceived value in the current of the prospective action or decision of recipient. So, any of you may meaningful to the recipient. Pag may nag-send sa'yo, pag walang kabuluhan, is that information? No. Then, and pag hindi ba totoo, information ba yun? No. Pag walang kasaysayan, perceived value, information ba yun? No. No. Pag sinabi, from the past pa siya. Pero alam mo nang hindi siya current. So based on the picture, data processing and information. Yung data, pag pinases, nagiging information. So inuulit-ulit ko lang sa inyo yon. Who manage the information? Information system that evaluates and analyzes and process organization data. What is it?
Information management.
Yes. Kasi we have 2 hours. So, inuulit-ulit ko sa inyo para may nalulungan kayo. And then, gathers data and disseminates information with the sole purpose. Information system. Okay. Information, knowledge, and business intelligence. Professor Ray R. Larson of the School of Information at the University of California, Berkeley, provides an information hierarchy which is data, information, knowledge, wisdom. Anong pagkakaiba ng knowledge and wisdom? Anyone?
Knowledge is you how to learn, and then wisdom you took read them.
So, dapat alam mo yung mga laws about
Anyone? More? Your ideas? Walang mali doon. There is no wrong about your idea.
and baka mamaya kasi
Knowledge can be like first I need knowledge can get from reading and wisdom is the one that just like have
Sino ba? Yes, understanding. Sino ba?
I think knowledge, ma'am, is something that we learn every day. And then wisdom is how we understand the things that happen.
More? Okay, data, as what we said, the raw material of information. Information, data organized and presented by someone. Knowledge, information, read, heard, or seen and understood. Wisdom, distilled integrated knowledge and understanding. So yung knowledge natin is kung ano yung nababasa natin, ano yung nakikita natin, ano yung naririnig natin, di ba? Pero yung wisdom, yun yung naiiwan sa utak natin. So, kung ano yung naiintindihan natin at nai-execute natin, nagagawa natin. Yun yung wisdom. So, yun ang pagkakaiba ng knowledge and wisdom. Okay. Scott Andrews explained information continuum as follows. Data, information, business intelligence. Data, a fact of or piece of information or series of data. Information, knowledge discerned from data. Recognize or find out. Business intelligence. Baka yung nabasa, please, kasi natutulog na kayo.
business intelligence, information management pertaining to an organization policy or decision making, particularly when tied to strategic or operational objectives.
Okay, explain. Sunod-sunod na yan lahat kayo, kaya ano na, meron.
For example, for me is as we discuss into the business informations or business communication in our subject, it defines that the business intelligence is how you gather the information and how you disseminate the information through businesses and make it into proposals. For example, we done the proposal on Cafe Challenge last month, so that's why we gather information on how to prepare, how to make a menu, and then we execute into one place. It meaning to say that we do that information. We do in action with that information. That's it.
Business intelligence. Information management pertaining to an organization's policy. Okay. So, yung information daw, information management nagpo-pertain sa mga organization's policy or decision making. Particularly when tied to strategy. So, tayo mga, yung sino mga may business yan, di ba? Meron tayong strategy or operational objectives. Paano i-operate ang business
We do
natin.
also the risk management also, ma'am, and also the contingency plans and how to market the business plan or also the business proposal.
That's in proposal.
Yes, that is a proposal of marketing.
Business intelligence. Okay, information data collection techniques. The most popular data collection techniques. So, dito na tayo kung paano i-gather yung mga data. Okay, so
Survey. A questionnaire is prepared to collect the data. This is the questions or the questions you want to ask to the certain person or individual for you to gather more data or information.
okay, sino na naka-experience na ng surveys? madali na lang yan.
Form yung Google Form.
Yes,
like that.
yes. So secondary data sources. Archival data.
Ako na.
Yes. Sabi ko natutulog na kayo eh.
Secondary data. Secondary data sources are archival and objective data. Data is collected through all records, magazine, the company website. Ano siya, ma'am? Data na
Second information.
makukuha mo siya. Like,
Secondary data.
old records,
Old
magazines.
information already.
Yes. Okay. Makakapag-collect kayo ng data through secondary data sources or archival data. So, nandun na yung sinabi niya na collected through old records, magazine, company website, etc. So, hindi mo na kailangan siya through. So, pwede mo siyang i-google.
Old information
Old
that you can borrow.
Diba? Doon kayo pwede mag-collect ng data. Ano pa mga example ng mga old data? Mga census.
Census. School record.
Madami. Okay. Next.
Objective measures or tests. An experimental test is conducted on the subject of the data is collected. So it's some kind of if you have a trial, like you have to try it.
So, ayun nga, yung objective measure or test. So, sa ating sa medicine, hindi naman pwedeng i-public. Yes. Hindi pwedeng i-distribute agad ang nakuha or yes. Dapat i-test muna nila kung magiging effective yun. That is an information already. Objective measures or test. May yung blood test. Di ba? Tinetest muna bago makita yung AB, O, sino pa yung A, yes, type of blood. Next.
Interviews, data collected by the system. Analysis by following a communicating procedure and collecting the answers to a set of pre-cancelled questions during personal interviews. Interviews.
So, yeah.
Usually kasi ginagawa nila yung interviews if ano yung mostly na gusto ng mga tao.
So, ano yan, dialogue yan. So, sino na nag-try ng interview?
Asking questions so you can get the real answer.
Information. Yeah.
It's just like asking questions to know deeper about that person.
It's not about the person. Actually, pag sa business, kailangan yung interview ang isang business.
Lalo na sa mga skills na
Okay, next. Classification of information. So, we will tackle about the classification. Ano yung mga klase ng information? Information can be classified in a number of ways. In this chapter, you will learn two of the most important ways of classify information. Andiyan yung diagram?
Yes.
Okay, classification by characteristic. Based on Anthony's classification management, information used in business for decision making and generally categorized into three types: strategic information, tactical information, operational information. So, nakita niyo doon yung strategic and tactical. Do you have any idea anong pagkakaiba ng strategy at tactics? May pagkakaiba ba sila? Ano yung pagkakaiba? Strategy at tactics.
Strategy is something of long term.
Yung strategy is long term na process. Yung tactics is yung ano.
Okay. Ikaw muna.
Yung strategy is long term na process ba? Yung tactics is yung
On the spot.
on the spot, that's it.
Sige na! Okay. Nabibuild yung confidence yung magsalita.
one is as Ati said, it's a long-term policy for the strategic, and the tactical is into action. It's like tactical in military, the strategics in businesses.
So strategy is an action plan that takes you where you want to go. Gagawa ka ng strategy mo kung saan. Kung yung business mo is magiging ganito siya. So tactics mo, individual steps. Guess nyo? And action that will get you there. Ano yung magiging? Oo. Step by step mo. Ano ba yung step 1? Anong gagawin mo? Step 2? Ano yung gagawin mo? Yung strategy is yung kung saan ka pupunta. Ano yung goal?
Yung goal niya.
Oo. Action plan that takes you where you want to go. So, nag-gets you ba?
Yes.
Or any preparation,
Tactical, ang sabi.
Okay. Based on Andrew's classification, management and business for decision is generally categorized
First
into
step.
3 types.
First step.
Okay. Classification of management strategic information next.
Asaan na siya?
Actually, practical information.
Ay, tactical na ba?
Yes. Strategic.
Strategic pa.
Tulog kayo. I-discuss na natin yung
Strategic kasi dahil. Strategic ka dahil.
Sige, strategic ka muna. Nagtutulog na kayong lahat.
Sising pa ako, ma'am.
Nagbabasa siya. Naghahanda lang.
Strategic information is concerned with long-term policy decisions that defines the objectives of a business and checks how well these objectives are achieved. For example, acquiring a new plant, a new product, diversification of business, etc. comes under strategic information. Explain ko ba? Ganda ko. Binabasa ko. Paano ako masagot? Wait lang.
Zero problema ka lang.
This is based on my yes. This is how you start like on a business. You have to gather information on one product, give some gather some information about this before you yes.
Baka wala akong masagot. 1, 2, 3.
Siyempre, Ilocana si ma'am.
Strategic information is concerned with long-term policy. Long-term policy, hindi yan short-term ha. Kasi ang sabi pag long-term policy, dapat meron kayong step 1, pag nag-fail,
Yung backup plan.
yes, tama. Yan yung long-term policy. Hindi pwede pag nag-fail ka, boss. Tapos agad ang business. And then especially yung management ng pera, diba? Hindi pwedeng one basket. Kaya yun ang long-term policy that defines the objectives of the business. So, dyan na nagpaplano kayo, di ba? Pag meron kayong sino nagbi-business dito, di ba? Gumagawa kayo ng objective. Ano ba yung business ko? Ano ba yung long term yan? O pag nag-fail, ay dapat oo. Yan. And checks how will these objectives are met. Diba? Dapat meron siyang papuntahan. Kasi hindi naman tayo pwedeng mag-business na mawawala lang, diba? Kasi mawawala yung for example, acquiring a new plant, a new product, diversification of business. Kung ano-ano mga business, di ba? Hindi naman tayo pwedeng, gusto ko tong business na to, ito yung gagawin mo. Hindi, kasi mag-i-inquire pa tayo. Yung product na yun, safe ba? Eco-friendly. Oo, eco-friendly, trending ba? O, ano ba yung trending ngayon? Make-up? Or alak? Punta tayo.
Alak. Punta tayong one shot.
Ayun. Information. Ano mga business ngayon ang pumapatok? Alak?
Alak ka.
Malakas. Okay.
Meron pa naman ako doon 1989 na ano, bayan.
Comes under strategic information. So, doon napupunta. Yung sinabi ko, may mapupuntahan yung business nyo. Kung saan kayo mapupunta. So, tactical information.
Tactical information is concerned with the information needed for exercising control over business resources, like architecture, quality control, service level, inventory level, productivity level, etc. For me, it's a tactical definition. Right? Tactical information is like art of arrangement. You need to plan, you need to budget, to plan everything.
That's what I said, na step by step yan. So, tactical information, concerned siya sa information needed for exercising control over business resources. So, andito na yung mga elements niya.
Yes.
Dito na, ano, di ba nandun na tayo sa strategy, anong business natin? Ano yung business? Ano yung step pag nag-fail ako? Anong business yung ipapatayo ko? Anong product? So, ito naman, sa tactical information na tayo is, saan banda business resources, yung
Kailangan ng arrangement.
Yes, yung money, magkano nga ba? Magkano yung ano?
Budget.
Cash flow, yes. Okay. Quality control. Class A, Class B, original.
Doon tayo sa team
Okay, service level, professional. So, skill,
undergraduate.
yun na. So, andun yung mga quality niya. Service level, inventory level. Ilan ba? Gano'ng karami ba? Bulky ka ba? Or meron yung wholesale and retailer? Right? Okay. Productivity level, etc. Okay, next is operational information.
Operational information is information with plan business level. Information as is used to ensure proper conduction of specific operational tasks. As planned, defined various of operators, specific and machine and specific as of shift and specific job for quality control. Shift and planning under this category. Example for the production. If you do the product, you should know how to step by step for the processing of the yeah. You know how to step by step to process the product.
Okay. So, nung una, strategic is nagplano na tayo. Yung mga ano na. Tactical is step by step. So, operational is, nandito na yung mga...
Yung kung direct ka or indirect.
Yes. Various operator. Yung mga mag-o-operate. Sino ba mag-o-operator?
Tayo.
Lisa. Yes. Cashier. Sales lady. Manager. Sino pa? Supervisor. Director. QA. Oo. Floor manager. Marketing.
Well, I think all the officers.
Yes. Ang specific nito is sino na yung gagalaw sa loob. Okay. Machine. Yes. Okay, classification by application. Yung una is characteristic pa lang tayo. So ngayon naman is yung application naman. In terms of application, information can be categorized as
Classification by application, ma'am.
yes. Application, control, planning information tayo. So,
Dito na tayo.
Following information. These are the information needed for establishing standard norms and specification in an organization. This information is used for strategic operation planning activities. Examples of such information are time standards, design standards. Planning information is like a process of thinking regarding the Activities required
Active
to
knowledge.
achieve a desired goal.
Okay. So yung planning information is included already. What is that? Use in strategic, tactical, and operational planning of any activity. So andun siya, included siya ng planning information, yung tatlong characteristics siya sa taas. Okay? Example such as information at time standards. Ano yung time standards? Dapat after 3 years, 2 years, yes.
Or may send
Naka-set of time.
Yes, may duration siya, may time frame siya. So, ang business, hindi pwede
Cancel.
yes, hindi pwede
Kung,
sabihin mo na,
for example, if lumagpas sa time, pwede kang, for example, kontrata, kung lumagpas sa time, pwedeng ikaw yung magbayad or pwedeng hindi na siya magbabayad dun sa mga nagastos na exceed.
yung mga design niya, di ba? Yung mga engineer nyo, di ba? May kontrata siya na time frame, and then yung designs, yun yung planning natin. So, hindi pwedeng, pag nagbigay ka ng duration, hindi pwedeng extend ng extend kasi yung budgeting mo, oo, lahat ng mga plano mo sa characteristic is ma-adjust din na ma-adjust, mababago din na mababago kasi nga nagbago ang time frame niya at yung design. So, dapat magtugma ang characteristic to application. Next, control information.
Control information. This information is needed for establishing control over all business activities through feedback mechanism. This information is used for controlling attainment, nature, and utilization of important processes in a system, which such information reflects a deviation from the established standards. The system should induce a decision or an action within control. Parang ano po siya, parang yung mga decision, control po.
Yeah, tama naman. Tama. Okay. Control information. So, dito, sabi niyo, is needed for establishing control over all business activities. So, paano ba nakokontrol ang information? Through feedback mechanism. Pag nagpatayo ka na, feedback mechanism, yung customer mo, anong sinabi sa'yo? Product mo, fake. Yes.
need to cancel next time.
Yes. Employee mo plus ito.
Need to remove it.
Yes. So, this ayun na yung sinabi na,
Fired.
yes, the system should induce a decision or an action leading to control. Doon natin nakukontrol ang business natin through feedback mechanism.
Checking the errors also, ma'am, in order
Yes.
in order to correct and establish corrective actions.
Yeah. Hindi lang naman sa customer, yung customer ang feedback mechanism eh. Also the employees. Yes. How you manage your employees. Diba? Sasabihin sa'yo, sa yung iba kasi natatakot din man, diba? Meron tayong sinasabi doon na feedback doon sa company na naglalagay sa feedback. Or yes. Next, knowledge information.
Knowledge information. Knowledge is defined as information about information. Knowledge information is acquired through experience and learning and collected from archival data and research studies. For me, ma'am, it's just like us that study your experience and also you are learning. Just like that, ma'am. Because before we don't know just like this that we are learning, and then now we all about because we are learning and experience all the information.
Okay. Knowledge defines as information about information. Any idea? Information about information.
Knowledge information.
You give the definition of the word that you are given.
Yes.
Enjoy.
I don't know.
Information
Wala eh, re-review na namin sa amin.
For example, ang knowledge information yung once nag-business ka, kailangan may knowledge ka. That's the point.
Ano yung question niya?
and how information.
You don't need to learn that because you focus about that you have knowledge for that business. So you have information for that.
Okay, pinatutunan kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Information by okay, knowledge is really required through experience
Yeah, through experience.
and learning collected from archivable data and research study. So information about information. So ang information about information is parang pumunta ka ng museum, right?
Yes.
Ang daming information doon. So, hindi lang yung information na nakikita mo sa loob. So, yung mga statue na andon, may information na naman doon.
Yes.
So, hindi lang nag-e-end ang information sa isang bagay.
For example, you are a tour guide. You know
It's a
sign like the black man. Who's that man?
Black one, who's that?
Statue.
Meron pang mas malalim na meaning in that outside information.
For example, you put an structure over here, and then you define the structure over here. So it's just like there is an information over here already, and then you added another information so that you can explain and elaborate the information.
Yes. Okay, next.
Organizational information. Organizational information deals with the organization's environment, culture in light of its objectives. Carl Pick's organizational information theory emphasizes that an organization produces its equivocality or uncertainty by collecting, managing, and using this information prudently. This information is used by everybody in the organization. Example of such information are employee and payroll information. For me, in my own perspective, organizational information, ito yung mga information sa loob lang ng organization. Like in the business, yung information ng employees, background, yung budget ng business, yung mga nagastos sa business, yung mga punan, ganyan. Thank you.
Yes. Organizational information is said there that your employees, information about the payroll information, right? Sino ba yung managers?
Manager to staff.
Yes,
Easy.
from simple to complex employees. So, andun lahat kasi yung si employee, si manager, magkano yung sahod niya, yung time frame ng pasok niya, lahat na doon.
Easy to elaborate.
Yes. Yung sales lady, ilang duration ng time niya, yung break time na, andun lahat ng information ng organizational information.
Parang scheduling lang.
Yes, and then the budgeting ng mga salaries nila, payroll. Okay, next one.
Functional operational information. This is operation-specific information. For example, daily schedule in a manufacturing plant that refers to the detailed assignment of jobs to machine or machine to operators. In a service-oriented business, it will be the duty roster of various personnel. This information is mostly internal to the organization.
Yes, sige. Kaya mo yan.
Sige na, busy.
Lagyan na ako.
Nakakainin niya, ma'am. Busog yan si ma'am.
Di ba po sa mostly sa business po, yung mga, di ba yung may mga machines na ginagamit. Kaya kung mag-apply ka sa isang business, you are like, train ka kung saan machine ka dapat mag-work. So, yun is the internal, mostly internal to the organization. Sila yung nagmamanage nun. Tapos may mga schedules din ng mga product o kailan ito kailan ito ipaprocess ng mga operators o yung mga manpower.
Yes, tama. Okay. Functional. Sa ano na lang words niya. Sa words na lang niya, it's words. Functional and or operational information. Ano yung mga functions nila? At yung mga operation nila ng mga machines, operators. Okay, oriented business. Database information.
Database information. Database information construes large quantities of information that has multiple usage and application. Such information is stored, retrieved, and managed to create databases. For example, material specification or supplier information is stored to multiple users. Database information, it seems like, refers to the large amount of data collected, organized, and made accessible through databases and support.
So, sino lang nakaka-access ng database information?
IT. Ay, no.
Database.
Database administrator.
Yes. Sa business, sino lang naka-access niya? Yes.
User.
Yes. Ha? Sino yung user? Ha? Sino yung user? Tao.
Manager of database.
Kasi ang database natin, hindi pwedeng ma-access lang sino-sino. Yes. Especially, yes, ang pinag-uusapan natin is business. Yes, it is confidential. It's only for the owners. Kasi ang nakalagay dyan is, for example, material specification, supplier information. Hindi pwedeng i-link yan. Sino supplier mo? Pwede mo bang sabihin sa kalaban mo? Business is always competency. Right? Stored for multiple users. Hindi, yung sinabi siya na multiple users, but it cannot be accessed by everyone. It will be for the specific, the owner or the manager. Pero yung manager, specific pa rin yung makahawakan doon kasi hindi pwedeng yung sa lahat ng information. Okay? Database information. Doon nakalagay lahat ng importante. Yes. That it cannot be accessed by everyone. Yes. Quality of information. Information is a vital resource of the success of any organization. Future of organization lies in using and disseminating information wisely. Bakit nga ba? Nakadepende ang success ng organization sa isang information.
Para umusad ma'am, progress. Kasi kung halimbawa yung yung mga nagtatrabaho sa iyo, walang mga info about your business, will be failed.
Hindi naman mag-click ang isang business pag hindi rin tama yung mga information na nilalagay. Actually yung product mo, pag mali din yung information, especially sa mga medicines or even though in cosmetic,
Information is
yes. Information is a vital resource. Kahit na nga sa banking natin, di ba? Napaka siya. Vital siya. Pag nag-banking tayo, mali yung pangalan mo, saan na send? Sorry ka. Diba?
Wait for 10 days sa Alipay.
Oo, yung Alipay nyo, kung saan kayo nagbabanking, di ba? Ang Alipay, nang hirap ata i-retrieve ang money.
10 days, ma'am. Oo po, 10 days maghintay ka ng 10
Kasi ang
days.
WeChat, one piece lang.
One day lang. 1 day.
Ay, hindi na babalik ang WeChat. Hindi, mas madali ang WeChat na i-retrieve kasi ang Alipay mas matagal doon eh. Hindi ko pa na-try kasi. Okay, good quality information lays in right context and right time tells us about opportunities and problems well in advance. Okay, so naman ang diba, pag good quality information, sinasabi na agad anong opportunities ang ibibigay sa inyo at anong problema ang ibibigay sa inyo in advance, di ba? Okay. Good quality, di ba pag niregla kayo, ano yung information na mas na-advance?
Hindi ka magkakaay, hindi ka mabubuntis.
Ano daw?
Nipple.
Sakit yung yung information.
That means you're not pregnant.
Wala ako kasi wala akong asawa. Uy,
Sununod ko lang siya.
Iba pala yung ang ganda, ang pangit ng pagka-example ko. Good quality information. Quality is a value that would vary according to the user's uses of the information. Okay. Good quality information is value that would vary according to the users. So, nagpa-vary siya according to the user's uses of the information. So, according to Wang and Strong, following are the dimensions of elements of information quality. Next.
You don't know how to explain this one?
mahirap i-explain.
Yeah, because just only the...
Accuracy, objectivity, believability, reputation.
Ano yun? Good quality information. The word itself lang. Accuracy, objectivity,
Ano ba tayo bibigyan? Objective, o yung objective.
totoong information yan. Hindi siya marites lang. Okay.
Legit yung baga.
Yes. Contextual.
You don't know how. Contextual.
Yes.
Naman ko niya makita. Relevancy, value added, timeliness, completeness, amount of information. I don't know.
Parang libro lang yan. Sa information sa books like that.
Sakto lang. Hindi yung nakibalita ka, dinagdagan mo, nakinulasan.
Tamang
Yun,
timpla lang
context
yan.
na. Okay. Next, representation now.
Ano maka-Facebook?
Pwede
Excuse
mo
ma'am.
siyang i-represent. Pwede mo siyang i-deliver sa iba. Yes. Accessibility. Pwede mo ipagsabi sa iba. Information. Diba?
Yes.
Yan ang good information. Pwede mo siyang ma-access. Hindi yung magmamarites ka na si buntis si ganito, di ba? Hindi pwedeng i-access yun. Bawal yun. Ay, pwede naman
I-access mo lang yung data, ma'am. Not the person.
Hindi mo pwedeng i-share.
Hindi nga, nabibigay na
Bigay lang na example kayo naman, please.
Okay.
Mga overthink kayo talaga.
Fertile kami, uy.
Of metrics. Okay. Others propose various lists of metrics of assessing the quality information. Let us generate a list of the most essential characteristics features for information quality. So ito yung mga metrics niya. Reliability. Next, sige, start ulit. Please, lawyer. Lawyer. Lawyer.
Natawag ko tuloy.
Frustrated lawyer.
Doesn't matter,
Yeah, yeah.
Lawyer mo kaya?
Hindi eh. Reliability. It should be, hindi ko makita.
Verifiable.
Verifiable and,
Dependable.
dependable. The word itself.
O baka pwede mo explain.
Ano nasa na tayo daw?
Explainable
Nasa
by
reliability.
itself already.
Ha?
Reliability.
Pwede, yung information na yun, pwede kang dumepende. Pwede mo siyang independe. Yung parang, pwede, oo,
pagkatiwalaan.
oo, tama. Okay? Hindi mo siya, parang sabi mo, totoo ba yun? Hindi, yun, totoo. Yes, yes. Next.
Parang may reliable. Timeless.
Yes.
It must be current and it must reach the users well in time so that important decisions can be made in time. On-time decisions.
On time.
Yes. Baka sasabihin mo, pinadeliver sa'yo yung kahapon pinadeliver pa sa'yo, tapos, pinadeliver ngayon, kahapon mo pa dineliver. It's not timely information. Late na. Patay na yung tao. Hello? Next. Mapatay ako. Hindi na lola.
Charge mo, ma'am?
Relevant.
Naka-ICU ka muna.
Hindi ba pwedeng 50-50 muna?
Alam mo, hindi ka sumusunod dito, sabi niya.
Should be current and valid information and uncertainties.
Kasi ito,
Okay, reduce uncertainty and magkakatiwalaan. Next.
Accurate. It should be free of errors, mistakes, true, and deceptive. Of course, it should be factual.
Yes, okay. Next.
Sufficient, it should be adequate in quantity so that decisions can be made. Sufficient, sakto lang.
Yes, sufficient.
Unbiased.
Unbiased.
Unambiguous.
Sorry naman mga BSA. BSA ako. Uy!
Hindi kami nagme-memorize.
This is like a label to you.
Nagkukuding.
Wala kasi kanya.
Oh,
Rule number 1. There is no war between courses.
Ma'am,
Just
yes.
okay.
Kakampi lang ikaw na president next time hindi makita.
Our
Paano to basahin? Sige nga, ako kumang sa imo lang. Sa imo lang.
Unambiguous.
Unambiguous. It should be expressed in clear terms. In other words, it should be comprehensive.
Ambiguous. Unambiguous.
Anong word ambiguous?
It should be specific.
specific. Wala nang labing paligoy-ligoy.
Ambiguous kasi yung dami
Pero,
na
Malamig, linalamig ako.
Wala namang
Ambiguous
flower.
doon, ambiguous dito. Ano ba talaga?
unambiguous. Alam mo, tama ba?
Ano ba talaga?
Unambiguous.
Yung Bisaya ba? Bisaya accent mo ba?
Please, ikaw na
Lililoto mo yung ano yan.
Very simple ah.
Kaya nga, sabi nga namin dito sa
Dapat dito kami na po. The current context. See? Complete uniform. You should meet in the right time. Starting classes.
Walang 30. Kasi complete.
Ay, ano, ako pala maglalas.
buo yung information.
unbiased.
Bias.
Ako maglalas.
Unbiased should
Hindi
be
naman narigat.
impartial and free from any bias. Na another word, it should have an integrity. You should not accept as both of them.
Ako namang loss.
So yung information na yun, hindi siya bias, na walang kinakampihan, yes, may integridad.
Yes.
Meron kang okay, explicit. Explicit. It should not need any further explanation. It means specific. Yes.
Ay, Pepe, hindi ka pa nakakain ka.
Sa'yo kita kasi ako.
Next.
Ikaw. Ako salamat.
Confirm direction,
Kumain na kayo
analyze
lang.
content, and format.
Comparable. So, pwede mo siya i-compare.
Compare to others. Na ito good quality to, same ng quality.
Yes.
Ano ba?
Parang class A, class B ate.
Okay, next. Pwede mo siya i-compete.
Reproducible. Reproducible. It could be used by documented methods on the same data set to achieve a consistent result. Reproductive.
Parang ano siya, infinite.
Infinite.
Oo. Consistent result. Diba? Pag pinaprocess mo siya, ganun pa rin, hindi siya bias.
Hindi siya nagbaba.
Ay, ganun ba yun, ma'am?
Yes, kasi consistent result, reproducible, co-document methods of the same date, seem to achieve consistent result. Kasi nare-reproduce siya. Okay?
Bring up
So,
your
part
paper.
muna tayo.
Mag-quiz na, babe. Oo, mag-discussion.
Wala naman.
Amadel. Wait na. Amen.
Hindi yan, may quiz yan.
Kanina pa na si Ma'am
Ayan o,
nag-compose.
may
Bakit hindi pa umaga?
quiz.
12 pa? Di ba nung 12 pa si ma'am? Ay, baka iba na naman.
So, marami na tayong oras.
Dismissan muna tayo.
Okay, mag-ano na lang tayo about mag-discuss sasabihin kasi part 2 is for next week na yun eh. So, sino ang BSN? Ito, kayo? BSN, lima kayo. Magbibigay kasi ako ng finals. So, ang BSN is lesson plan. May lesson plan kayo and then i-report nyo sa harap. And then sa mga BSIT is collecting data. Collecting data, yes. Per group, to a bit, yes, by group. Yung lesson plan is 1 by 1. Final? Yes, final. So,
Ma'am, yan na yung finals. Ano daw?
Finals to, ma'am? O, matagal pa kaya na.
Uy, matagal pero mahirap naman. Uy,
Ilan ba ang subject nyo? 5, ma'am. O, 5 ang subject nyo or 6 ang subject nyo. Sinasabi ko na parang makapagano kayo. Hindi ko naman sasabihin na sa midterm ko na lang sasabihin kasi nga magra-rush na kayo. Yung ibang subject nyo, mag-memorize na kayo. Diba? So, for the first day pa lang, sinasabi ko na ang finals nyo is magkaiba ang BSN to BSIT. Ang BSN is to be lesson plan. Ang BSIT is collecting data. Kasi ang i-collect yung data is all about from business woman or business, sino yung mga may business. Ang gagamitin nyo is yung sa application by, classification by application and classification by characteristic. Yes, characteristic. So, doon ilalagay nyo yung ano yung naging plano, yung mga manpower, organizational, functional strategy, tactical, operation information. So,
ano daw yung finals? Saka yung sa kabila.
Mag-present, di ba kunyari, nag-collect kayo ng data, is an information about someone. Kunyari, si Miss, ang business niya is cafe, di ba?
About business?
About business.
Kukuha kami ng mga idea sa kanya.
Yes, mag-interview kayo.
Yes.
Kayo na bahala kung anong interviewin nyo. Ay, anong kinds of business. Business and kinds of details na
Ano yan, individual din or per group?
per group yung interview. Kasi may gagawa.
Eh di, yung ano na lang ma'am, BSI 2.2 and then 1.3 kayo?
Hindi pwede.
Ano yun ma'am?
Hindi pwede yung mga kaibigan yung kasama
Or 2 groups? Para mas, kasi kasi yung kakilala mo ma'am, mas ano kayo, yung, I mean yung time namin is pare-parehas kami ng time. Correct, at saka yung subject na may oras na subject na in-rate.
BSIT kasi BSIT. So, ilan ang BSIT na? Iaano ko ba kasi nga, bibilangin ko kung sino yung BSIT at BSIT. So, yun, yung mag-enter, I don't know if interview ang gagawin nyo or survey.
Both
Sa survey kayo. Or kung anong techniques ang gagawin nyo. Kasi nga, yun, mas maganda naman interview. Yung iba kasi nung last na hinandle ko ang ginawa nila is merong may video sila or nag-interview sila, may video na nilagay, may mga pictures doon or writing na nilagay nila doon. So, tapos doon, gagawin nyo is PowerPoint presentation, di ba?
Yes.
Mag-ano kayo dito sa harap, i-present nyo. Yung mga lesson plan din naman, mag-words kayo, so words, and then ipapresent din nyo rin sa harap. Lesson plan dito. Kasi semi-detailed lang naman siya. Kunti lang siya. Kunti lang po.
Ano yung time?
Ano yung time duration mo?
Ma'am, ikaw po yung
Yung finals ang tawag doon.
Presentation na lang.
Presentation.
Yung lesson plan, sa information management yung kahit sabi nyo may chapter 1 and chapter 2 and chapter 1.
Ayaw namin sa'yo, yung lawyer ka eh.
Chapter 1. TV lang naman siya.
Masyado kang magaling. Balito yung utak ko.
Kasi semi-detail lang siya, madali lang siya. So, 6.6. Yes.
Ewan ko kung sino ba. Okay lang kung sino. Okay lang. Lahat sa akin. Okay?
Sila 62, 6.
Sama na natin yan doon. Ayan.
Anim kayo. Lima lang kami. Oh. Ay, anim din kami.
Mas mahirap yung buong
Ayun na lang yung mas magaling kayo.
Kunin na nga 6.6 eh.
wala kang ano dyan.
Di, kasama ka namin. Lawyer ka eh.
Ma'am, yung first lesson plan, ma'am.
Ilan tayo? 5 lang tayo. Ano ba?
6 kayo, 6 kayo.
Kasama daw yun, oh. Ay, kunin mo yung ano niya. Hindi yan sa niya. Lima kami, lima. Uy, wag.
Sila lang daw ang mamimili. So, ano kayo? Kasi, bakit ang isip ng ulo sa amin? Ano bang nasa gitna namin? Kami fertile ka may ito.
Ano yan? Bear? Hibernation?
Uy, adapt nyo siya. I-adapt nyo nga. Iba-iba naman yun. Ayaw na sa akin.
Pangalan niya.
Yung midterm natin, ano, lesson plan.
Hindi, sa final pa.
Ay, ano ba nangyari sa'yo? Ay, hindi ko ba hindi ko narinig man. Ano sa akin? Lesson plan. Collecting data tayo. Collecting data tayo. Finals yun. And then sila, lesson plan. Oh, okay. Kailangan naman mag-lesson ng DSIT. 11 lang.
Wala naman.
Pero sa finals yun, finals na yun. Sa midterm, walang sinabi.
Iba naman yung laman ng
Walang sinabi. Pero individual ito.
Hindi.
Per group.
Pag pila tayo,
Ah, per group.
3-3.
Oo. Mamaya na. Huwag nang sulat-sulat. GC na lang para wala na.
Yung tungkol sa project na to.
Oo.
Hindi naman. Kasi okay na yun. Dalawa lang ma'am. Kasi ano.
Uy, malilito kayo niyan.
Hindi yan.
Sa isang company, 5 kayo mag-interview. Ano yan?
Hindi naman. Sa isang company, hindi naman kasi, I mean is, iyan mo siya ng task. Iba-iba kasi yung task na pagawa mo. Hindi yung isa lang.
Ano hindi ano sa oras?
Oo.
Di ba parang uwi agad?
Kasi, for example, meron tayong online class. Yung isa, wala tayong online class yun.
Ready pa naman na siya mag-individual.
Ay na lang ako. Hindi maraming ano. Yung time natin ba? Hindi matatapos. Diba ilang percent sa harapan?
Ano yan? Kailangan pa lang. Pwede kami mag-question na sa kailangan ng judges yan.
Yes, pag sa reporting pala, meron tayong question and answer portion. Pwedeng ano, hindi pwede mag-report.
Hindi mawawala sa kanya yan.
Meron at meron. Mag-a-assign ako.
O, mananalo na kayo. Question and answer pala.
Gusto nyo sa midterm estimation?
Sure!
Debate na lang mo.
Grabe siya.
Ano daw? Debate? Debate?
Wala daw yan. Sila lang kaya pala
Debate? Oh, gusto ko yan.
Debate tayo? Ito sa atin. Ito sa atin. Sa inyo, collecting
Sa midterm ma'am, debate?
collecting shell.
Hindi naman, sa midterm, debate tayo.
Punta lang mo lang sila sa bench pag
Ano gagawin natin sa test?
Hindi, mag-usap na lang ito.
Sa midterm ma'am, debate.
Very shell pala kami dito. Kasi tahimik siya. Tayong dalawa din.
Sabagay, ang pwede kong gawin sa inyo, mag-advance learning tayo para yung, di ba, one day lang ano, examination.
Yes.
So yung, there is na dalawang session natin before ang exam. Ang gagawin ko sa isa is for BS at MBSIT na lang. Para meron kayo mas mahabang oras na reporting nyo. Kasi pag may stay, hindi enjoy. limit lang yung oras natin na kasi pag reporting kasi yan, meron tayong division din also. Pag question and answer portion tayo, mahaba ang oras. Mas maganda, mas ma-enjoy kasi yan, na-build yung confidence. Yes, confidence nyo. At yung down nyo sa sarili nyo. Tapos, ayaw mo din naman puro kayo na parang yung banking method kasi kung po kayo tapos
Para spoon feeding lang.
oo, yung test natin na puro multiple choice, gano'n. Kasi i-memorize nyo lang yun eh. Gusto ko yung parang actual real life na gagawin nyo yun. For the future kasi magkikipag-interact kayo, di ba? Yes. Ayun na yung gagawin nyo. So, yun lang. And then also, para sa mga BSIT, di ba, gagawin nyo yung into the interviews and then sa computer na rin, kayo na
Na-i-enhance.
yes, sa mga education naman is sa pag-lesson nila, yes, sa lesson plan and then sa work.
Ma'am, so ano po yung prelim na yung prelim natin?
Prelim ka na.
Hindi kasi diba sinabi yung final sapat.
Hindi yung finals kasi.
Ay, yung final.
Mahirap naman.
Ay,
Takes time.
Pero yung midterm ma'am, wala ka bang sinasabi? Ano, wala.
Wala pa.
Finals lang ang narinig ko. Akala ko midterm at finals yung nasabi. Hindi, akala ko midterm at finals yung nasabi ni ma'am.
Ano na lang, pag ano mo na, pag-isipan mo na. First day pa rin naman, so.
Atat kayo kasi, prelim at mga midterm na tinatawag.
Collect na kasi kami ng data.
One piece of paper.
Uy, what? Ang paper!
Ma'am, hindi kami nag-study. Uy!
Ma'am, 5 minutes, ma'am.
Akala ko ba ano? Please, please.
Hello?
Ma'am, ano?
Hati tayo.
Sige, bilis.
Design na is Dali. One to five lang. Oo, mas ano na hati-hati nyo na. 5 lang naman.
5 lang? Oo, 5 lang. Bilisan lang. It is defined as meaningfully interpreted data. Number 1.
Information.
Mamatay na talaga kami, ma'am.
Bakit yung mga audio?
Ano daw, ano sabi niya?
Information must go. Like,
Information. Hindi, ano ba yung sinabi ni Mama?
rather meaningfully.
Ay,
It is
information
defined
na
as
yun.
meaningfully interpreted data. Defined as meaningfully interpreted data. Yes, number 2.
Wait lang, ma'am.
It is raw material of information. Dali lang, di ba?
Data.
Okay, ma'am. Banatan nyo na, 3.
Okay.
Number 3, ma'am. Sige lang.
Or give 2 techniques.
Ha?
2 techniques on how to collect data.
Techniques?
Techniques. Hindi, dalawa lang ang hinihingi ko. Bigyan nyo ako.
But there are 3, that one, ma'am, right?
Hindi lang siya 3.
Hindi, or not. Okay. Kasi iba siya.
How to collect data. Mga techniques nyo. Techniques. Sabi lang.
Ay, ano siya?
Ayun yung gagawin ng mga SIT. Techniques? Oo, mga techniques. Yung techniques. Dalawa.
Strategy.
Planning information.
No, dali lang.
3 and 4, diba?
Yes, 3 and 4. Finals nyo yun. Dalawa lang na. Oo, dalawa lang. Okay, number 5. Isa lang. Isa lang to. Elements of information quality. Elements? Elements of information quality. Yes. Elements of information quality.
Elements.
Quality.
Number 5 yun, ma'am?
Information elements quality. Isa lang siya, isa lang. Ano ba, ma'am? Elements of of information.
Wait lang, baka hindi mabasa ni Madam.
Quality. Ano, Maritis?
Entering state. Apo, Diyos ko.
Ha?
Wait, ma'am.
Ang dami nun! Ganyan siya, oh!
Contextual. Ganon.
Ayun na, contextual.
Ay, Diyos ko. Free.
Ilan ba yun? Ma'am, ilan yun? Isa lang. 5?
Ang dami nga yun.
5 yun.
Contextual lang.
Intrinsic.
Intrinsic ang sinulat ko.
4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yung
Contextual. Mga ganon.
Contextual.
Contextual. Intrinsic.
Oh, pakipasa na.
Ma'am, sige na.
Tama ay B. Tama ba ito sa akin?
Okay na mga exchange kay paper. Ay,
Pakipasa na na.
okay ma'am.
Di ba patapos na tayo?
Okay na yan. Ay!
Gusto nyo pakicheck? I hope you enjoy my class.
See you next time.
Not really ma'am. Nagulo yung utak kong namamahinga.
Kumalog ng utak namin.
Joke lang.
Akala nyo tapos na?
May papis pala.
Wait lang.
Ilan tayo mang correct? Anak ka dito.
Wala na eh, may stress ka pa dyan.
Bisaya.
Pwede na yun.
Parang si Ma'am Madam nung natuto sa mag-design.
Ay, ito categorist. Sabi niya categorist, di ba?
Di ba papasok si Ma'am?
Information can be
Tama. Tama yung ginagawa.
Ano yung tanong niya kanina? Yung 2, 3? Ay, 3, 4? Yung quality information.
Number 5 yung quality. Tapos yung yung classification, yung 4. Yung 3 and 4 mo. Quality yung sabi niya, diba?
Nakakakap na si ma'am.
Nag-start. Tama.
Watching daw.
Ano pa kayo?
Ay, picture.
Sino ba yung malinaw ka na mahirap?
Bibi, gusto mo? Ayan o.